Hey, Elaine here with Sweet Stampin', and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this fun Halloween card. All right, here's my fun Peekaboo Halloween card. This is a really simple card to make. I used the Bones Designer Series paper, and I cut out all of the skeletons with the coordinating Bag of Bones dies. And I make sure to include even these skeletons down here that are partials because they're still useful. And I'll show you that. And so is this one. So make sure you cut them all out because you can just use parts of them. You've got the skeleton die that works, the cat die, and also the cute little dog die. And so this is the Bag of Bones bundle that is part of the suite, and it's got all these fun skeletons, and you can create different parts of the skeleton and the dog and the cat and some fun sayings. And you can do like a French skeleton with this nice cap here, or you can do a dancing skeleton. There's dancing shoes in the dies. There's also a cowboy hat and cowboy boots. So there's a lot of fun things that you can do with this bundle. So I have a piece of Starry Sky that is 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4 and folded in half. And then a piece of Smoky Slate that is 5 1/4 by 4. And I've embossed it with the Crosshatch embossing folder, which is one of the 3 folders in the Basics 3D embossing folders. Next, I have a piece of 5 1/4 by 1.5 of the Designer Series paper. This is one of my favorite ones. I love the bats on that side, and I love the Starry Sky stripes on this side. And then I have some pieces cut out from one of the 12 by 12 sheets. And this is the one that has all different pieces that you can cut out. And so I just cut these out and thought, oh, this would just make a great card. So let's put it together. Okay, now for the boo and the cat, and here's the skeleton that was cut from the bottom. We're going to put dimensionals on all of these. Okay, now I'm just going to pop the skeleton in right up here, waving high. And then we'll put the fun cat down here, but I'm gonna add one more dimensional to the bottom of the cat, so that way it's the same level since the boo is popped up. And that is a very simple Peekaboo Halloween card. If you would like to get this fun card kit, 6 cards, 2 of 3 designs, including my fun pull card, and my Peekaboo card, and my revolving cat card. All you need to do is place an order, a $50 merchandise order using my current host code. Email me and let me know that you would like this Halloween card kit using the Bag of Bones bundle, and it will just be $5 shipping to get this cute card kit.